Hey guys, welcome back to Gaming with Sofianne. Today I'm going to be making a rainforest majesty floor puzzle. Yeah, I kind of already did a little because this might take a while because it has 48 pieces. It's pretty big. It's like 2 feet times 3 feet, and I'm only 4 feet. So it's kind of bigger than me because like 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. Yeah, there's 2 feet. Okay, I don't know. Yeah. I already did a little because I was like scared it might take a while. So, you want to see what I did already? Okay. Did already? Yeah. I'm gonna like do a little with you guys, and then I'm gonna like edit the rest because it might take a while. And I'll show you when I'm done. It's gonna be so pretty. There's a blue butterfly. Oh, and it has 48 pieces in it. Yeah, that's a lot. I agree with you guys. I'm trying to look for like a yellow piece that goes in the parrot. So, if any of these let's see. Nope, wait. This has a little yellow on it. Let's see. We're going to, yeah, it does fit. Not fit. Okay, I don't know. Let's look at this. Yep, I knew it. It went right there. Yes, okay, so I'm gonna do like a little more. So yeah. Okay guys, I am back. I just finished the puzzle. I thought it might take like a long time, but it was actually pretty quick. So let me show you how it looks, okay? Okay, take a good look at it. It's very beautiful. It seriously really is. It's so beautiful. Do you guys like it? Yeah. Okay. Like, there's a parrot, whatever those are, sloth, toucan, cheetah, tiger. Where's that tiger? Probably not. That's a weird colored flamingo if it is. Butterflies, a froggy, and yeah. I can't believe that's 48 pieces. Well, 48 isn't that many after you think about it, but it still is pretty big. So yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye, guys.